Let's begin the function on auspicious note with Krishna Vandana.
Feeling ready? Yes, after the prayer.
May I now request our Honorable Director, Dr. Rajesh Bhagat, please come on the stage.
Respected Chief Guest of the day, Dr. Balkar Singh, Director College Development, Punjab Technical University, Mr. Vinay Raj Agarwal, Secretary, APJ Education Society and leading industrialist of the region, Madam Savita Raj Agarwal from GDPA Fasteners, esteemed member of Board of Governors, distinguished guests, members of press, faculty, staff and stars of today's celebration, participants and prize winners. Very good afternoon and welcome to 2014 Annual Day celebrations of the APJ Institute of Management Technical Campus. The academic year 2013-14 had been a very fruitful year. It witnessed many milestones in academics, co-curricular and sports, which aimed at improving the quality of education and all-round development of the students. I feel proud and privileged to present before you a brief report of the achievements of the Institute in this academic session. On the behalf of management, staff and students, I extend a very warm welcome to Dr. Balkar Singh, our eminent chief guest, Director, College Development, Punjab Technical University. The credentials of our chief guest are very impressive. Dr. Balkar Singh excelled as a student. He went on to pursue the degree of MTech and PhD in Mechanical Engineering from Punjab Technical University. He has more than 23 years of industrial teaching and administrative experience. Before joining Punjab Technical University, Dr. Balkar Singh made his mark as Assistant Engineer in Sugarfed, Punjab. He also served as Assistant Professor Shahid Bhagat Singh College of Engineering and Technology for 6 years. Dr. Balkar Singh has also worked as Deputy Dean Secrecy and Controller of Examination in Punjab Technical University. He is a permanent member of ISTE, technical expert of NBA evaluation team as well. A big round of applause for Dr. Balkar Singh. It is very inspiring to know that under the able guidance of our chief guest, Punjab Technical University, PTU is doing phenomenally well as when it comes to the innovation. Dr. Balkar Singh is credited for initiatives like developing online system in university for automation of examination, department and development of web portal, of college development of university for processing online applications of all affiliated colleges. Dr. Balkar is a learned person who has number of research publications to his credit, and he has published more than 10 research papers in national and international conferences and journals. Dr. Singh has also presented research papers in international conferences in USA and Canada. We are indeed honored to have such a multifaceted personality among us today. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Vinay Raj Agarwal, Secretary, APJ Education Society. He is a leading industrialist and sir has always been a constant source of guidance and support and a pillar of strength. I would also like to extend warm welcome to Madam Sushma Raj, Ma'am Savita Raj Agarwal from GDPA Fasteners. She is actively involved in the development of schools and institutes of APJ Education Society. About our campus, APJ Institute of Management was established in 1997 under the aegis of APJ Education Society. That has grown from strength to strength, and at our campus we pull out all the stops in giving. The students are best in terms of courses, infrastructure and resources. Our institute comprises of School of Management Studies, School of Information Technology and School of Business Studies. Campus was started in 97 with 3 courses, MCA, BCA and BBA, with an intake of 60 students, and the seat intake capacity was enhanced to 180 in the year 2012. To meet out the requirement of IT revolution, in the year 2000 the MCA course was started with an intake of 30 seats, but the same was enhanced to 180 seats in 2012. Our institute has emerged as a foremost among computer applications and management schools in this region. I would now like to present before you a report recounting our activities and glorious achievements of our students and faculty during the academic session 2013-14. Considering the academics, education is the foundation of a civilized society. Each aspect of college life provides the avenue for the learners to grow to their full potential. I am happy to announce the following the students Gurpreet Singh of MBA, Miss Gursimar Kaur, MCA, Miss Saloni Sharma of MCA. They brought laurels to our institute by bagging top university positions. Big round of applause for our medical students. In a similar way, under the cultural and sports activities, by providing a conducive environment, the students are mentored to participate in a variety of inter and intra-college competitions. This year also our students have won various prizes, like first prize in case study competition and second prize in IT quiz at Symphonic 2014, held at KCL IMT on 21st Feb 2014. 3 prizes in Technovision 2014, held at GNIMT Ludhiana on 21st Feb 2014. Then 5 prizes at Tech Plasma 2014, held at Lalpur Khalsa College Jalandhar on 26 Feb 2014. The students stood second in AdMed Show, second in website designing, and second in Extempore, second in software showcase, and third in quiz. Big round of applause for all the students. Our challenge as educators lies in not simply giving information to our students, but teaching them how to use it. A wide array of functions and programs are regularly organized that provide a stimulating environment to our students. We celebrated the Founders Day on October 4, 2013 to pay tribute to the founder of APJ Group, Dr. Satyapal ji. On this day, Dr. Satyapal Award is bestowed to a student who has not only shown academic excellence but also exhibited high moral and ethical conduct. This award includes a certificate and one-time scholarship of ₹5,000. Jyoti Chauhan of MBA 3rd was the proud recipient of this award this year. A 2-day annual Fiesta Pinnacle 2013 was organized at the campus on October 30th, 31st, 2013. More than 200 students participated with great zeal for top honors in 40 different events organized during this multi-event meet. The function was a big success. Apart from this, our campus conducted a number of events throughout the year, like idea generation, workshop, business plan, Raniti, money multiplier, expression, moviecation, artistic, case study, quiz, and computer vision contest, etc., in which the students showcased their talents. Sports is an integral part of the life of each APJN. We also have quality infrastructure for sports like basketball, volleyball, badminton, and indoor games like table tennis, chess, and carom, etc. Apart from the classroom teaching, other powerful tools of learning like seminars, workshops, role-playing, case studies, field studies, tutorials, and multimedia tools like LCD projectors and smart boards are being stressed upon. Till date, we have installed 13 smart boards in all of our classes. Our publication mirrors the philosophy and life of AIMTech to the world outside in a very effective manner. In all, we are having 3 publications. One is Synergy, the annual magazine chronicles the year-long activities, events, and achievements of the institute, besides showcasing the creativity, literary, genuine, and artistic skills of our students. Apart from this, quarterly 8-page colored newsletter, AIMTech News, is also being published. We launched the APJ Journal of Management and Technology, a refereed biannual journal in 2006, dedicated to develop and promote theory, research, and practice in the areas of management, IT, and allied in both Indian as well as in the global context. Thus, our publications are an important medium that help us to reach out the world beyond the confines of AIMTech. About our faculty, faculty is one of the best in this part of the country and is recognized for their contribution to research. In 1314, Mr. Bali Batra was awarded the degree of Doctorate of Philosophy in the field of management. And At present, most of our faculty members are pursuing PhDs in their respective fields. The faculty has also contributed many papers in various journals and conferences. Apart from all this, the institute has a wide range of cells like Entrepreneurship Development Cell, Sports Cell, Corporate Relations Cell, National Service Scheme, and APJ Institute of Management Alumni Association, representing interdisciplinary approaches to learning. The carefully selected activities of the clubs focus on the overall development of the students. We believe students, those are pursuing their post-graduation, the sole objective is going for final placements. And proudly we are saying that number of companies for MBA as well as for MCA, they have already visited the campus. To name a few, in case of MBA, ICICI Bank, ICICI Securities, TMI Crystal, SBI Life Insurance, PepsiCo Limited, etc. In case of MCA, Pact Solutions Chandigarh, ME Technologies, Unit Nexus Private Limited, In Solution, Techie Technologies, etc. They have already visited the campus. Dear students, each day is a learning experience, not only for you but also for the teachers as well. What you are today and where you are now is not important, but what you achieve is important. As a student, whatever you do, do it perfectly with interest and involvement, and your work must reflect yourself. Always remember, life is like a large piece of marble and you are the sculptor. The mind, will and skill of a sculptor decide the shape of this marble. Likewise, your mind, will and skill will help shape your life. Do not allow circumstances to restrict your dreams. With the advantage of having your education at this institute coupled with your hard work, positive attitude and knowledge, your dreams will take you as far as you can imagine. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to emphasize that all the above achievements were possible owing to the constant support and guidance and cooperation extended by our faculty, staff and students and the members of Board of Governors. My special thanks to our worthy President, Madam Sushma Parlia, Vice President, Shri Yashraj Agarwal, and esteemed member of APJ Education Society and Board of Governors. It is due to their dynamic leadership and guidance that the institute has been able to scale the heights of success. Last but not the least, the staff and students deserve a special mention for their consistent diligence, sincerity and devotion with which they continue to pursue their journey in achieving excellence in all aspects of learning. I once again welcome all with best greetings and wish that today's celebrations make you smile and cheer you up. Finally, I would like to offer my heartfelt congratulations to all the prize-winning students on their success in different spheres and wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you.